Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to allow or block ports in Windows Firewall. So without further ado, let's get right into it. To allow or block ports in Windows Firewall, follow these steps. Allow a port. Open Windows Defender Firewall by searching for firewall.cpl in the Start menu. Click Advanced Settings on the left panel. In the Windows Firewall with Advanced Security window, select Inbound Rules for incoming traffic or Outbound Rules for outgoing traffic. Click New Rule in the right panel. Select Port and click Next. Choose TCP or UDP, then enter the specific port number, for example, 8080. Select Allow the connection and click Next. Choose the network profiles, where the rule applies, domain, private, public. Name the rule and click Finish. Deny a port. Follow steps 1 to 6. Select Block the connection instead of allowing it. Complete steps 8 and 9. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.